Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Fu from Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission. You guys must know Fu, he's the main villain in Super Dragon Ball Heroes. And if you probably wonder from the subs, you must know that he has been harnessing the power of the universe seed to create a universe tree so he can create a universe of his own. You know guys, when I thought that when Fu introduced me the universe tree, I thought his intention was to reverse the effects of the Big Bang. That would be much more eviler. Besides, during this saga, he revived Super Android 17, along with a couple of others. One that looks like Goku, another that looks like Metal Cooler, and, well, that's kind of about it. There's also, I think one of them is her mother, is his mother. Anyways, if you're watching this video, I must tell you guys something. You see, in Super Dragon Ball Heroes, they're doing an English dub created by fans, so be sure to go to that site. You'll be able to see Fu's English dub voice, along with Xeno Goku, Xeno Trunks, Xeno Vegeta, and even Xeno Pan. And believe me, I'm a huge fan of them all. And if you ask me, Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission is probably my favorite out of all the sagas, besides this song. So when you start drawing him, you must draw his eyes, and then you must add his glasses above it. Okay. And if you must know, all the villains that Fu has revived, they're all part of his master plan to create his own universe. I think it involves killing Goku and his pals. To be honest, I wasn't sure what Super Dragon Ball Heroes was about. I thought Dragon Ball Super was the only one, but, boy, did I get that wrong. Am I right, folks? Anyways, let's finish drawing him, shall we? I don't know if Fu is a fighter or not, but, I'm pretty sure he is. Make sure to draw his hair. There's like 3 spikes coming out of it. There's his head. And here's his bipectuals. Okay, next up, here's his thumb here. I wonder if I'm able to draw the actual universe tree, or at least paint it, at least. Alexa, play my recently played songs.
Here are your recently played songs from Amazon Music.
Okay, so how about we listen to this while we draw? next up, here's his jacket. Okay, yeah. Okay, next up, you just gotta draw his scabbard here.
My grip, will you be there to pick me up? If I gotta run, will you be coming with me up? Cause I got your back and you got mine, and there's nothing that can stop us now. If all else fails, will you help me when I lose my way? Set your sails to be ready for the winds of change, cause the journey starts today.
And there. That is how you draw Foo. Alexa, stop. So, that's pretty much it. Pretty awesome. He looks kind of awesome, don't you think, you guys? So, anyways, if you guys have been watching the Super Dragon Ball subs, then you should know they have it in English dub created by fans. Wait, I already mentioned that. But, if you guys are a fan of Super Dragon Ball Heroes, be sure to leave a comment below. And, what's your favorite fighter about Dragon Ball Heroes? My favorite is definitely Metal Cooler, and definitely when Zamasu returns. But, most likely, Super Dragon Ball Heroes is a game about some... Super Dragon Ball Heroes was a game, but the characters from this timeline don't know about that yet. But they'll find out soon. Anyways, in the next episode of Super Dragon Ball Heroes, Xeno Goku and Xeno Vegeta are gonna fight off against Janemba. And possibly we're gonna see Super Saiyan 5 in action. I don't know when that's going to happen. And, oh wait, I forgot to tell you. You know that old show, Mixels? Well, there's gonna be a new game called Mixels Unite. And I think it's a fan-made series. And I'm starting to wonder if Mixels will ever return. It's like my dream come true. Kind of like Foo's dream of reversing the Big Bang. Or to create his own universe. Anyways, that's about it for now. I'll see you guys again soon. That's awesome, right?